Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Skullcandy Crusher ANC 2 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily discover multiple other voice assistants and manage them. Let's get started. First we have to open our headphones app, that's called Skill IQ. Now as you can see, there's an option voice assistants. There are a lot of options, for example iHeart, Amazon Alexa or TuneIn. We can go into there and as you can see there are these commands, Amazon Alexa commands and iHeart commands. We can enable these free voice assistants and that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.